Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after the event, we got to see some volatility. Gold made a low of almost 1941 and bounce. Our support level worked nicely. We got to see a perfect bounce from the level of 1941. Market made a high of 1952, 1953. So more or less our level worked perfectly. I was sleeping. Okay, it happened in the middle of the night, so I missed the opportunity, but hopefully you guys made money. Right now, market is standing at 1949. And my dear friends, as we have already discussed in our previous videos, that this week will be full of events. So yes, volatility is the middle name for this week. And we can see today also we have news, ADP non-firm employment change coming up. So my dear friends, the market will be volatile again. To know the exact timing, go to any economic calendar, change the time zone, and we'll get to see. You can see here 5:45 p.m. This is the time in my country. Okay, you can just go to the economic calendar and change it accordingly. Now you can see here dollar shaky after US credit rating downgrade. Dollar struggled to make headway on Wednesday after a cut on the US government stock credit rating by Fitch raised questions about the country's fiscal outlook, though it drew some support from a relatively resilient run of economic data. And if you look at DXY as expected broke the level of 102 and was heading towards 102.50, and right now we can see dollar is standing at 102.22. Dollar is still in uptrend. The next resistance on the chart is around 102.5 and hopefully market will be able to break this level as well. If market reverses from here, and just observe the size of the candle, if you see a big candle, then it will be clear to us that market is unable to cross it. But right now fundamentals are also not bringing dollar down. As a result, we can hope that dollar will break 102.50 also and head towards the 103 level. And in case of a drop, the previous support of 101 is still very much valid, but before 101 we also have some support around 101.50, this level here. So in case during the day DXY drops, you can expect to take support around 101.50. In case of a huge drop in the market before ADP non-firm, you can expect that 101 will be there, and the biggest one is around 100.50. We have multiple layers of support, but right now we need to see which support works right now. If there's not much volatility, you can expect 101.50 to work. In case of heavy volatility, you can expect 100.50 to work. Okay, but right now we can see dollar is heading high and hopefully it will also break 102.50. Enough talk about dollar. Now let's look at the chart of gold. So gold is standing at 1949 right now, and you can see that I have drawn many lines here on the chart. So let's understand the lines or the levels one by one. And my dear friends, this is chart prime and these are the signals generated by chart prime. If you also signals on your chart like this, then please watch the end of the video where we'll be talking about chart prime in detail. So 1940, 41, 42 level has done the magic. So the next support on the chart of gold is around 1930. On a Saturday video also we discussed about the importance of 1930 being the strongest support. 1930. So in case there is a big drop on the chart of gold, the next support will be around 1930, where you can expect a good bounce of at least 70 to 80 pips. Why 1930? Let me show you. We are using Fibo here. Our previous Fibonacci levels have been working perfectly, so we can definitely expect 1930 to also work. Here you can see that we have Fibo 61.8% retracement level, and along with that we can also see previous price rejection around the area. So it gives us the double confirmation that 1930 is the level of buyers. And apart from 1930 as the level of buyers, we also have some minor support around 1934 as well. So again the volatility will come into the scene during the day. If you see the market is going down, okay, if you see the market is falling, but the volatility of the market is not very high, and usually before the news we don't get to see much volatility. In that case, you can expect 1934-35 to work as a support for the market. How much you can expect? 40 to 50 pips till 1940. Okay, so in case of heavy volatility, 1930 is the support for the day, and in case of low volatility, 1934-35 is the support for the day. Keep in mind, after news, if market shows extreme volatility, follow the trend of the market. But in this case, 1930 seems to be a very strong support, because if you guys have a little understanding of the contracts data, then I can show you that this is the contracts. These are the options data, option chain, you can say, and here is our 1930 put. Okay, you can see here we have additional 318 contracts around 1930. So it gives us the additional confirmation that yes, institutional level buyers are also interested around 1930 level. So as a result, 1930 should be working as a good support. And to be honest, I think that it also has the potential of acting as support after news also. Usually, I always tell you guys that do not trust technicals after news, but this time 1930 may work as support after news as well. But anyways, I can be wrong also. Follow proper risk management, okay? Because nobody is 100% correct. And in case of an upside in the market, okay, if markets shows upside before news, especially during the European session, then we have two resistance levels: 1952 to 1953, 1952 to 1953. Why? Because of previous price rejection around this area, nothing else. Okay, and then we have another resistance around, or you can also call it second resistance around 1956 to 1958. 1956 to 1958. This is the second resistance. So 52-53 is the first resistance, and when the volatility of the market is low, if market reverses, if you see market struggling around the area, you can click on the sell button. On the other hand, if market shows volatility, and if you see that market is struggling, a market is showing price rejection from above around 1956-58, you can also take a sell there. But yes, wait for the confirmation. If you see that market is standing at 1956-57 with a big green candle, obviously you need to use your common sense. Okay, because no level is permanent in the market. So these are the two resistances for the day. Before news, you can expect some reversal, and in case of a drop in the market, we can expect 1934 to work as minor support before news, and 1930 as a strong support. And what about 1940 then? 1940 may act as support, but to be honest, I'm not sure right now. So I'll observe the volatility, then only I'll decide what should be done. But yes, if market breaks 1940 level, we can look for a sell position for 50 pips. Again, I'm repeating, if market breaks 1940 level, and if you see that volume is also present, market is going down with a big red candle, means market is breaking the support level, high chances there, and you can look for a sell below 1940 as well. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now before news. And as news is coming up, please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Never forget that if technicals is the younger brother, fundamentals is the elder brother. So when tech fundamentals will dominate the market, do not trust the technicals. Usually fundamentals win the battle. Okay, and my dear friends, this is Chart Prime again. Whether you're looking for signals, buy and sell signals on the chart, or you want to take your analysis to the next level, Chart Prime can be a very useful tool. Chart Prime is rocking the trading world right now. They have three powerful indicators: Market Oracle Pro, Market Dynamics Pro, and Prime Oscillator Pro. Market Oracle Pro not only generates buy and sell signals for you, but the lines in between the chart also tells you about the dynamic support and resistances. The trend assistant line, the green, the red line, also tells you about which trend of the market you should be following. So whether you're looking for buy and sell signals on the chart, or you want to analyze the chart in a better way, Chart Prime can be very, very useful. Along with that, they also have Prime Oscillator Pro. The name oscillator tells you about overbought and oversold levels, obviously. But apart from marking the overbought and oversold levels, the Prime Oscillator also marks the divergences for you so that you can trade on the momentum. You don't need to worry about missing the divergences. The chart prime tool does everything for you. And the best part is that the oscillator also generates buy and sell signals. You can see there are many green arrows, red arrows on the oscillator. The green arrows at the bottom marks the buy opportunities, whereas the red arrows at the top marks the sell opportunities for you. And apart from these two indicators, they also have Market Dynamics Pro if you love to trade on smart money concept, and it also has chart pattern detection as well. So my dear friends, this is Chart Prime that can elevate your trading to the next level. Right now they are giving 30% off. If you really are serious about trading, you can scan the QR code on the screen. You can also click on the I button on the screen, or you can also check out the link in the description. Feel free to check them out.